Welcome to practice questions for all concepts and fractions. In this set of questions, we have 3 questions overall. So let's start with number 1. Convert the fractions. As we said, we can convert 2 fractions, 2 types of them, improper and mixed, into one another. So first up, we have a mixed question, and let's change it into an improper one. So in order to do this, we said that we should multiply the denominator by the whole number. Let me take a pen. Okay, so we should multiply the denominator by the whole number and then sum the result up with the numerator. So multiplying 3 and 5, it equals 15. And then 15 plus 12 equals 27. And the denominator stays the same. And it's that simple. This one, 21 divided by 8. So this is an improper fraction. In order to change this into a mixed fraction, we first need to do the division. This is 1, okay? This is not 7. 8. I can fit 2 8s in 21 because 3 8s will equal 24, so it's bigger than 21, right? So 2. 2 times 8, 16. Subtraction, and 21 minus 16 equals 5. So our remainder is 5. Our denominator is 8, and our quotient is 2. And we should place them in their places right now. So our quotient, our remainder is our numerator. Our denominator stays the same, and our quotient is our whole number. So this is the mixed version of this improper fraction. This was it. Now let's go for question number 2. This is 1, but this is number 2. Find common denominators. So in order to do addition and subtraction in fractions, we need to have common denominators, right? So we have 2 operations, addition and subtraction. Now let's find a common denominator in order to add and subtract them together. So we have 14 and 30. If we calculate, the LCM of these two is 210, because in order to find the common denominators, we should find the denominator's LCM, right? So first we divide this LCM by the denominator and then multiply the result by the numerator. 210 divided by 14 equals 15. 15 times 13 equals 195. Okay, now this one. 210 divided by 30 equals 7. 7 times 20 equals 140. So let's add these two. So 335. And our denominator stays the same. And this is our answer. Hope you got that. Let's go for the second one. 54 divided by 10 minus 108 divided by 30. The LCM of 10 and 30 is 30. So 30 divided by 10, 3. 3 times 54, 162. Minus 30 divided by 30, 1 times 108, 108. So 162 minus 108 equals 54. 54 divided by 30, and this is our answer. Okay, so this was our first page. Now let's go for the second page and our third and last question. Find equivalent fractions. So in order to find equivalent fractions for our fractions, we need to multiply the denominators and the numerators, or divide them by the same number. So let's start with this one. I want to multiply these two by a certain number. So for example, let's multiply them by 6, okay? So 16 times 6 equals 94, and 24 times 6 equals 144, and this is an equivalent fraction for this fraction. This one, 80 divided by 104. So let's divide these two by a certain number. So I want to divide them by 4, for example. So 80 divided by 4, 20, and 104 divided by 4, 26. And this is our answer. Please pay attention and keep in mind that when we want to do division in fractions, that's not this. This one's just for finding an equivalent fraction. If we want to find an equivalent fraction, it's okay to do this type of thing, like 80 divided by 4 and 104 divided by 4. But if you want to do the actual division in fractions, that's completely different, and we will study that in the next lesson. So please wait for it. And this was our last question and the end of our lesson. Thank you very much for being with me.